This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will discuss how to draw a flowchart for finding the area of a rectangle. So we can see there are again terminal symbols, start and stop symbols, which are mandatory, used to show the starting and ending of a flowchart. The very first parallelogram symbol you see right after the oval symbol is the input symbol, and the very last, the second last and the very last parallelogram symbol you see just before the stop symbol is the symbol, oval symbol used to display the output, and in between you can see the rectangle which is used to show the process, and depending upon the situation you can use the diamond symbol as well for decision making. So we will interpret this flowchart, so we will type it, and I'm going to explain it one after another, and type that the first oval symbol is used to represent the starting of the flowchart, where we have mentioned flowchart keyword start. The second, this one, we can type the second symbol is a rectangle used to represent the input for variables L and W, where L is used for length, and W is used for width of the rectangle. So both values which we will give for length and width for calculating the area of a rectangle will be stored in the variable L and W. Value of length will be input and will be stored in variable L, and the value of for width will be stored in the variable W. The third symbol rectangle is used to represent process, where L is multiplied with W and then stored, and the whole expression L into W is stored to the left hand side variable named area. So basically in this program, in this flowchart, we have used three different variables: L, W and area. L is used to store the value of length, W is used to store the value of width, and area is used to store the value. It's used to store the value of this expression length into width, and then display the value stored in this area variable to give the output of the calculated area of the rectangle. Now the fourth symbol, oval, is used to represent output of the flowchart, where the value stored now in the variable named area will be displayed as an output. So this is the very final process symbol which is used to display the area of the rectangle. And after that, in the end, the fifth and the last symbol, oval, is used to represent ending, or you can call closing, of the flowchart, which is very important to use. This way we can understand that now this is the stopping of the flowchart, and there will be no more further symbol or process or anything can be there right after the stop oval symbol. So before start symbol, oval symbol, there cannot be any symbol, and right after the stop symbol there cannot be any further symbol. So this is the rule of drawing a flowchart. So this is the basic, very simple flowchart we have discussed today, that how to take the input and then process, so and the displaying the output, and then the whole flowchart was in this way, in a technical and in a appropriate way. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video.